Hello guys, Sample Showdown 6. Hopefully the beginning of it being monthly. Yeah, say hi in the chat, say hi. Yeah, I don't know what to say. The amazingness. Here is y'all's sample.
Bro, these motherfuckers are still going crazy with it. Oh, hell no. Oh my god.
Alright, I know. I told you, everybody's gonna love that sample, and I was right. Alright, I'm posting it in the Sample Showdown updates channel, and you'll have an hour and 30 minutes to get this done. 3, 2, 1, go! This is the worst out of all the samples you've chosen? I don't want to hear it. This is an elite choice. This is elite. I don't care what any of y'all say. I want to hear what you can do with this fucking Chomper. Good luck, hour and 30 minutes. Everybody hates me. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, fuck. That was loud. Very curious on what you guys did with this elite sample. First one, the speed run of like 5 minutes, I think.
Bro, these motherfuckers are still going crazy with it.
5 minutes. Or something like that. It was under 10, I know that for sure. It was really fucking fast. I don't know how. But for like 5 minutes, that's not even that bad. Yeah, that's pretty good for 5 minutes, I think. Here we go.
Bro, these motherfuckers are still going crazy with it. Oh, hell.
Yeah.
Peter, the horse is here.
Yeah. It's pretty swag. Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Hey, that's pretty cool. And you have like 2 varying ideas here. That's nice. Next one. Oh, 2 minutes. Almost 3. Fuck. I think you definitely take the title for longest track submitted in these competitions. 3 minutes? In an hour and a half? How? Next up. Oh my god.
Bro, these motherfuckers are still... Oh, hell no.
W. Phil. Love it. This is very good first impression of you. That crunch! God damn. Next one. Whole egg. That was really good, especially for the fucking insanity shit you did to it. Oh,
These motherfuckers are still going.
I just realized. No idea what the snare is. I like the idea of it though. Of having like a really weird snare to make space for this other stuff. Yes. It being used as a fill was great. I loved it. And sounds pretty nice. Next. Holy shit.
Oh hell no.
Damn. I recoiled in my seat, I can't lie. Next one. Guys are fucking. Why is this Chomper bringing out the best in y'all? And you guys were doubting me. You're like, oh, what the hell are we supposed to do with? And look what happened. Eating well today with these songs. Oh, damn. Okay, Vince. Lucas.
The justice thing.
No.
Really interesting percussion, I think, for this idea, but it kind of works. And then the the chops of the sneeze. Next one. Nice. Nice and short. Nice. I like the like it's not to your face, this one. But still sounds pretty good. It's gonna be really hard to win this one, I can't lie.
These motherfuckers are still
Ooh, this part. This part right here. Oh yeah, you made this in 10 minutes. Hmm. 10 minutes. No sidechain. You forgot. Youch. Next. Tipster. Oh my god. Boom dubs. Yo, the Switch? The Switch. And the last one. The last one. All right, this I don't know why you don't like it, because that's that's really good. Oh my god! You know what to do. Go vote. Go vote. Pick your top 3 and your favorite track. I don't even know. There's so many good ones. I can't. Oh, this one for sure is a top 3. Hey, I think my second, third favorite. I'm stuck between like 4 of them. I think that's gotta be my third favorite though. I think this is my favorite. Submit. Damn. But top 3. Ready? The winners. I don't know how big I should make it. Top 3. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so there's someone with a with a big lead. But hey, as seen in the past, this doesn't always mean that the person with the most top 3 votes wins. Favorite track is... It is Boom Dubs. Okay. Congratulations, Boom, for the win. And then second place tie with Aziog and Lucas for favorite tracks. And Swampy. Wait, what the fuck? No. No one put him in top 3. Okay, but that's the second place tie between 3 people. And then there's a lot of 1 votes here. Cryogenesis, Sensory, Crunchy Core, 888 Men, Vince, Turbo Drive, Laser Blue, and Tippy. We're not gonna have all of you speak up here. That's a fuck ton of people. So we're just gonna stick to first and second place winners, which means Boom. Where is he? 4 votes, and you won, bro. How you feel?
Absolutely fucking worthless. Why I spent a specific amount of time to make that fucking beat, and then it just, yeah, I don't know why you fucking picked this personally, but somehow it just worked at everyone's endeavor. So I guess that's cool. I guess I figured that, you know, everyone was gonna go the dubstep way, you know, like the rhythm and the tear out and shit, and like, you know, why not do something different for once? I think generally it was just I was kind of in a time crunch, you know, because I got a place to go to in like the next couple minutes. And
oh shit!
Do this at the same time.
Okay. Well,
so it was like I was trying to like wrap it up.
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. Go.
All right, get out.
Get out, Lucas. Hey! Second place tying of with 2 other people.
I didn't think I would get second, to be fair. But yeah, second place on my second, or like, no, just like my third one participating, and that's crazy. Thank you all so much.
We'll get Swampy up here. Literally stealth victory.
Yo!
Are you the fucking car? Where are you?
Oh, hold up. No, you know what? I can leave it like this. This is funny. It's my webcam mic.
Oh.
No, I'm gonna change it. I'm playing.
Yo.
Okay. Oh my.
Against it, gift, bro.
Night and day. Holy.
You want me to? Okay, I'm changing it back. The people are asking.
Yo!
Alright, that's enough for you.
Oh man.
Hello there, people of America and Croatia and wherever else. I did not mean to do that. Who's that? I don't know if I'll finish it, but like, it's fun, I guess.
Yeah. Did good. Good job. Bye, people. Thank you for coming. Sample Showdown 6 was huge.
Do you want
Hello,
to continue repo, or
hello,
do you have to
guys.
do shit?
Oh, I should stop recording. That's what I should do first.
Oh.
It's probably.
Recording.
YouTube! This guy get
Bro, these motherfuckers are still going crazy up the TikTok. Oh hell no.